Ever had your car make a strange noise, show a warning light, or just not run right, but you had no idea where to start? Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose car problems like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know the right steps to take, the tools you need, and how to track down most common issues before they turn into expensive repairs. The first step is simple. Use your senses. Listen, look, and smell. Listen. Is there knocking, squealing, grinding, or clicking like... Any leaks under the car? Smoke? Warning lights? Smell like burning oil, coolant, or fuel smell? These can tell you a lot. Your car actually talks to you through the dashboard. If a check engine light comes on, don't ignore it. Different lights mean different things. Red usually means urgent. Yellow is a warning, and green or blue is informational. To really diagnose like a pro, you need an OBD2 scanner. These plug into your car's computer system and tell you exactly what's wrong. Example, error code P0300, random misfire. This points you to ignition, spark plugs, or fuel system. When diagnosing, think in systems. This makes it easier. 1. Engine issues. Rough idle, loss of power, smoke. 2. Electrical issues. Dead battery, flickering lights, car won't start. 3. Transmission issues, slipping gears, delayed shifting. 4. Brakes, squealing, grinding, pulling to one side. 5. Suspension and steering, clunking, uneven tire wear, vibration. Check the basics. Sometimes the solution is simple. Check the basics before spending money. Oil level and condition, coolant level, battery health and terminals, and air filter and fuel filter. Pros don't just guess, they test and eliminate. If you suspect the battery, try a jump start. If the check engine light points to spark plugs, inspect or replace one at a time. Not every problem can be solved at home. If you hear a loud knocking, your transmission slips badly, or you smell strong fuel fumes, get it checked by a professional mechanic. Knowing when to stop is just as important as knowing how to start. So that's how to diagnose car problems like a pro. Start with your senses, check the dashboard, use a scanner, break it down by system, and always check the basics. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.